Introduction to ReaScript using Lua. 1. Introduction to ReaScript. ReaScript is the scripting feature of REAPER, a powerful digital audio workstation DAW. It allows users to automate tasks, manipulate projects, and create custom tools. ReaScript supports multiple programming languages, including Python, EL2, and Lua. In this lecture we focus on using Lua, which is lightweight and well integrated into REAPER. 2. Why use Lua for ReaScript? Lua is a simple yet powerful scripting language. It is easy to learn, runs efficiently, and is widely used in game development and embedded systems. In REAPER, Lua is preferred because it has direct integration with REAPER's API. It requires no external dependencies. It provides fast execution with minimal overhead. 3. Setting up Lua for ReaScript. 3.1 Enabling ReaScript. To use ReaScript in REAPER. 1. Open REAPER. 2. Go to Action Show Action List. 3. Click on New Action and select ReaScript, New/Load. 4. Choose Lua as the scripting language. 3.2 Creating your first Lua script. 1. Open the Actions menu, Action Show Action List. 2. Click New Action ReaScript, New/Load. 3. Select New Script, name it, and choose Lua as the language. 4. The REAPER script editor will open, where you can enter your code. (4) Basic Lua scripting in REAPER. 4.1 Printing messages. REAPER.show console message. Function displays messages in REAPER's console. REAPER.show console message. Hello REAPER! Run this script, and you will see Hello REAPER in the console. 4.2 Accessing the REAPER API. The REAPER API allows Lua scripts to interact with REAPER. Common functions include REAPER.get project state change count, gets the number of project changes. REAPER.csurf_onPlay, starts playback. REAPER.csurf_onStop, stops playback. Example. REAPER.csurf_onPlay. This script starts playback when executed. 5. Working with tracks and items. 5.1 Selecting a track. Track equals REAPER.getSelected track 0, 0. Get first selected track. If track, then REAPER.show console message. Track selected \n. Else REAPER.show console message. No track selected \n. End. Adding item to a track. Track equals REAPER.getSelected track 0, 0. If track, then REAPER.add media item to track track. REAPER.show console message. Item added to track \n. End. 6. Creating a simple custom action. A custom action is a script that performs multiple operations in sequence. For example, let's create a script that selects the first track and starts playback. Track equals REAPER.getTrack 0, 0. Get the first track. If track, then REAPER.set only track selected track, select the track. REAPER.csurf_onPlay, start playback. End. Save and run the script to test it. 7. Debugging and optimization. 7.1 Debugging. Use REAPER.show console message to print variables and track script execution. Check REAPER's actions window for errors. Use REAPER.clear console before printing messages to keep the console clean. 7.2 Optimization. Minimize API calls and loops. Use local variables for better performance. Structure scripts into functions for readability. (8) Conclusion and next steps. You now have a basic understanding of ReaScript using Lua. As you progress, explore the full REAPER API documentation. advanced scripting techniques like GUI design and MIDI manipulation, integrating ReaScripts with custom toolbars and menus. By mastering Lua and Reaper, you can create powerful custom tools to enhance your workflow and improve productivity.